I spotted this nest from the canoe. This is crazy. Now this is one of those things that you walk into this at nighttime, it's not so bad. Walk into it in the daytime, you're in big ass trouble. Because these are black hornets, what I call black hornets. These guys, they take no prisoners. They will attack you and they will bite you, and you will, yeah, their stings are like someone's poking a hot needle in you. I'm gonna get as close to the nest as I can. These guys, they attack at a moment's notice. Try to hold the camera steady. Look at the size of that nest. Look at it. Oh my God, it's massive. Holy